The old janitor found him in the dark.
You've been using that thing?
He asked, not surprised, not angry, just deeply sad.
It gives back time,
Reeves said.
but it takes something too. Your memories don't stretch forever. Every moment you relive replaces something you lived.
The machine blinked softly. One button now pulsed. Return. He stared. This time, he didn't look back. He pressed it. No object came out, just light. The memories rose around him, fragile, glowing, dissolving, not stolen, not erased, just let go. And with that, the fog lifted. The past didn't come back in full, but the feelings did. Real, soft, enough to move forward. He climbed down the stairs. The storm had passed, and across the courtyard, a familiar figure waved. He hesitated, then smiled. Not everything could be reclaimed, but maybe that was enough. In the golden hush of afternoon, two friends find each other again. No words, just a hug, as the last glimmers of magic quietly fade away.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.